Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix error 0x8096002a, no error description available. In order to solve this, we need to download the different extracting app, which is WinRAR. On your Chrome, search on WinRAR and press on this download WinRAR. Simply press the download button and wait for it. After it got downloaded, simply press on it, install and set it up. After installing and setting up, you can now use it for extracting. By right-clicking on the file you want to extract and select the WinRAR extract option, and that's it.